Want to earn money while you sleep? Dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Imagine having the power to earn a commission every time someone buys a product based on your recommendation. Sounds intriguing, right? That's the essence of affiliate marketing. Today, explore how to start this journey that can turn into a passive income stream. First, understand the basics. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services offered by others and earning a commission from sales made through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win. Companies get sales, you get a slice of the profit. Step 1. Choose your niche. Passion and profitability go hand in hand here. Select a niche that not only interests you, but also has a substantial audience. Whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, or health and fitness, picking the right niche is crucial. Step 2. Find the right affiliate programs. Once you've nailed down your niche, look for affiliate programs that align with your content. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction offer a wide range of products to promote. Step 3. Create engaging content. Whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a podcast, content is your stage. Quality content attracts and engages an audience, and more importantly, drives them to click on your affiliate links. Remember, your content should provide value, whether it's solving a problem, providing information, or simply entertaining. Step 4. Drive traffic to your affiliate links. Use strategies like SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing to draw in more visitors. The more targeted traffic you can drive to your affiliate content, the higher your potential earnings. Step 5. Track and optimize your results. Use affiliate marketing tools to track the performance of your links. Analyzing what works and what doesn't allows you to optimize your approach. Adjust your strategies based on data to improve your earnings. Scene script. In conclusion, starting in affiliate marketing involves selecting a niche, finding affiliate programs, creating engaging content, driving traffic, and optimizing results. It's a journey of learning and adapting, but with persistence, it can be incredibly rewarding. So why not start today? Your journey to earning passive income through affiliate marketing is just a few steps away. Happy marketing!